So why is he sitting like this? This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened. Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
His face, it looks like he's laughing.
He really decided that violence was the only option.
Wait, oh, pigeon tower.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
What the heck is going on here?
Bro. Oh, what? What?
I told you, you have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see he's there. We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish. The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out. Is that better? Now let's see. Oh, look at that. Away he goes.
Chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me, chase me. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go.
These raccoons were caught in the act. That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.